Well, it's 7 a.m. right now, and it's not as bad as I thought it would be. I'm pretty sure it'll get worse. But the roads are slick out here, man. Slick as ice. Okay, I got further away from the city. More like in the township now. The roads are even worse out here. It's crazy. Anyway, they still have my kids going to school today. And there's no buses. They don't have buses. The levee didn't pass. So I feel sorry for the kids that have to walk in this stuff. It's a solid sheet of ice out here. The wind's blowing 30 miles an hour. I guess it could be worse though.